First, to appreciate your support. So this is an LG washing machine, front load, fully automatic. Now, when is the last time that you clean the inlet filters? So first things first, you have to lock the main tap for water. Once that is locked, come here, just unscrew this. So this is the water inlet pipe. Once it's out, basics, have a pliers. Then you come here, pull out the filter, clogged. Look at this. Then in here, there's also one more sieve. That you'll use a flat or just a tester to pull it out. There we go. So when these two are clogged, it takes time to feed water. If it's too clogged, the solenoid valve starts overheating. When they overheat, they burst, and now you'll have to replace the solenoid valves. Also, the machine will start giving you errors. So for like this model here, doesn't have the clear display to show you an error, so you'll see all the lights blinking saying that that's an error. If it's a machine like this one, it will give you an error here. Like for an LG, it will give you an OE error here. It's a Samsung, it will give you a 5C. So what you need to do, just take this, then clean them well on running water, something. So after cleaning, place them back. The other one, simple as that. Then grab the pipe. Simple. And then open the tap. As simple as that.